In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Brevo account. Brevo, formerly known as Sendinblue, is an email marketing and automation platform that helps you send campaigns, manage contacts, and build workflows. By the end, you'll have your account set up and be ready to explore the dashboard. First, open your browser and go to brevo.com. Make sure you're on the official site so you're signing up in the right place. You don't need any special software, just your preferred browser and a stable connection. On the homepage, click Sign Up Free, usually in the top right corner. If the button placement looks different, don't worry. Sites update layouts, but the wording is the same. You'll see a short registration form. Enter your email address, create a strong password, and add your first and last name. Aim for a unique password you haven't used elsewhere to keep your account secure. When everything looks correct, click Create an account. If you prefer, you can sign up using Google when that option is available. Next, verify your email. Head to your inbox, find Brevo's message, and click the confirmation link to activate your account. If you don't see it, check spam or promotions. The link returns you to Brevo and your account becomes active once confirmed. After verification, log in and complete your profile by providing your company name or personal brand, selecting your business type, and entering your address and a phone number. These details are required for email compliance and help ensure your messages meet sender policies and deliver correctly. Use accurate information that reflects who your recipients will see as the sender. Once that's saved, you'll be redirected to your Brevo dashboard. This is your command center. From here, you can start creating email campaigns, import or add contacts, generate API keys for integrations, and set up automations to welcome new subscribers or follow up with customers. Keep any sensitive credentials like passwords and API keys private and stored securely. That's it, your Brevo account is ready to use. A few minutes of exploring the dashboard will make building your first campaign much smoother. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring your new Brevo account.